then just make sure you guys watch to your elbows, and then when you touch them, just there's also a Stingray you can touch, and a sea stars up there. If you guys didn't touch it, if you guys don't touch it, it doesn't matter.
They're too hungry too, but they're too big. They could take a food source. Which one is that?
How come he's not eating? Well, that was a big one. I could see the gills. The last, remember the last shark?
Unfolding in ways that both challenge and deepen our understanding of the living world and determine the future of aquatic life on this planet. And together, we will ensure that life thrives in the waters of our world. Life like the majestic Beluga Whales.
Colors can be cold, harsh, and unforgiving places for humans. However, belugas have perfectly adapted to thrive there. Take a look at all of that blubber. That blubber helps keep them warm in these icy waters and will act as an excellent energy reserve. And with their beautiful, bountiful blubber, beluga whales move with beauty and grace. Let's start with their distinctive white color. Here's a question for all of you. What color are beluga whales when they are born? If you think you know the answer, let me hear you shout it out on the count of 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3! Well, definitely heard the right answer in there somewhere. Beluga whales are born gray and will turn white as they go older, or as will happen. Now let's look at the beluga's unique ability to spray, stream, and squirt water. Array of localizations, and watch closely. Can you see their melons move? Let's give it up for the belugas, everyone. Wow. Now, early icy homes are threatened. Climate change is not only raising ocean temperatures, but it's also causing Arctic sea ice, a critical habitat for beluga whales, to melt at an alarming rate. This loss is dramatically altering the marine ecosystems, and this loss is more than just a shrinking polar landscape. These are some textures and ways that we can all make a difference. The biggest step that we can take is to speak up. Kind of like that. We encourage our leaders and our policymakers to prioritize measures to help slow the devastating effects of climate change and plastic pollution. Let's make sure that future generations get to witness the wonders of the Arctic and the beauty of the beluga whale.